India is emerging as a global leader in makhana, or fox nuts, driven by rising health awareness, strong nutritional value and growing international demand. India is the world's largest makhana producer, with Bihar contributing nearly three-fourths of national output and an estimated 80–85% of global supply. During 2025–26, India exported 7,264.89 metric tons of makhana products, generating export earnings of 1,929.61 crore rupees. The growing global appetite for this healthy snack is strengthening India's position in the international agri-food market and creating new opportunities for farmers and exporters. In a major initiative to enhance agricultural security, the Ladakh administration has begun channelizing 90 million litres of glacial meltwater daily. Redirected from Stock Village Nala into the Aigufe irrigation canal, this previously untapped runoff into the Indus River now provides reliable irrigation across 1,000 acres of barren land, directly benefiting 12 local villages. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has approved the four-laning of the 82.57 km Muzaffarpur-Sitamarhi-Sonbarsa section of NH22 in Bihar. The project will strengthen connectivity between Muzaffarpur, Sitamarhi and the India-Nepal border, while improving travel efficiency, road safety and freight movement. It will also link more effectively with NH27 and other major routes, boosting Bihar's transport, logistics and regional trade network. India and Japan have agreed to expand maritime defense cooperation, focusing on warship building, mine countermeasures, and ship repair facilities to support a free and open Indo-Pacific. Following talks between Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and his Japanese counterpart Shinjiro Koizumi, both nations signed a Memorandum of Arrangement on Maritime Security Cooperation. The initiative aims to integrate Japan's advanced design capabilities with India's cost-effective manufacturing scale. Tesla has begun operating North America's first large-scale cathode production facility at its Austin, Texas site, integrated with 4680 battery cell manufacturing. The facility marks a major step toward localizing critical battery production and reducing reliance on overseas supply chains. Cathode materials are among the most important and costly components of lithium-ion batteries. By producing them domestically, Tesla aims to strengthen its battery manufacturing ecosystem and support higher volume production of its 4680 cells in the United States.